Hello students, welcome in our Vidyakunj Career Academy. Today we are going to see here multiplication by using method. Which method? Nikhilam base method. Nikhilam base method. Now here exactly we are considering here base tens. Yes, it means this one in this way. 10, 100, 1000. These are we are considering here as base. Okay. Now I will take first below 10 numbers. Okay, below 10 numbers. Below 10 we have to consider here as a base. Then below 10 I will take here to multiply. See here 3 into 4. Okay, now I will use in this way we have to take here, I will take here 6 into 7, then I have to multiply this 6 and 7, these both number below 10. Here how many required for 6 to complete 10? Here require 4. So I have kept here minus 4. Okay. Here 7 to complete 10. How many require? Here minus 3. 3 require. It means in short I have to tell here what is the complement of 10 for this 6 number. What is the complement of 10 for this 7 number? For 6, 4. For 7, 3. So I have kept here minus, you have to understand. Okay. Now what we have to do for this? We have to multiply. Minus 4 into minus 3 will be 12. Okay. Now here, see, I will write here method also. It means you will understand. Minus minus becomes plus. Okay. Now here this one 6. See here I am showing here arrow also. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. See here 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. From this we have to take only 1. Yes, you can do anywhere. Okay, 6 minus 3, 3. 7 minus 4, 3 only. Then one more thing I will tell you. If here 2 digit 0, here 2 digit number, in 10 how many 0? 1. So we have to put here only 1, and remaining number we have to carry here further. Then it becomes 42. Understood how to do multiplication by using Nikhilam base method. Okay. Now I will take here above 10. I will take here above 10. Okay. This is another method. Below 10 I have taken, here above 10 I will take. Here I have taken 12. Here I have taken 14. I have to multiply here. Then see here how many more has given here in this number. Now 12 minus 10. 12 minus this one number. 12 minus 10 will be 2. Yes or no? So how many has given here more? Plus 2. Okay. By observation you will write here. Here plus 4. Okay. Then what we have to do here? We have to do multiplication. 2 into 4, 8. Okay. Now, as per I have explained here as earlier, that method only we are going to use here. 12. This also I will do here because you have to understand. Is equal to 8. Yes. Now here see. 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. 14 plus 2 is equal to 16. Then I have to write here 16. Here one digit number, so it is not required. What is its answer? I will write in this way, then you will get here 168. Here also I will write 6 into 7 is equal to 4. In this way. Okay, I have written here below 10 numbers, above 10 numbers. Then now we are going to see here mixed. Mixed means mixed one number above 10 and the other one below 10. Here one number we are going to take here above base and another number we are going to take here below base. Okay, then I have considered here, I have taken here as base 10. Okay, see, I will write here 15. I have written here 8. 15 is above base, 8 is below base. Our base is 10. Our base is 10. If our base is 10, then I have to write here 5. Here I have to write here 2. Our method 5 into 2 will be 10. Which 10? Minus 10. Plus 5 into minus 2 is equal to minus 10. Okay. Then 15 minus 2, 13. 8 plus 5 also 13. Here you have to see here, I always say here one digit we have to keep. Yes, this one digit we have to take here. Not carry. As not carry, we have to minus it. Yes, subtraction. So, I have written here 1, 2, then 0. This one 0. What is its answer? 15 into 8 is equal to 120. This is one sum. Okay. Now next I will take here 14 into 7. 4 will be plus 4 and here minus 3. Then I have to do multiplication. I have to do multiplication. Here will be minus 12 and here 14 minus 3, 11. See here these are two digit number. We always have to keep here one digit number. So this one number I have to minus here. We are not carrying because it is minus. So I am going to subtract. Here 10 and it is 2. Remind here minus 2. Yes or no? This is minus 2. If it is minus here, then I have to write here 10's complement of minus 2. What is 8? If I have written here 10's complement of minus 2, then I have to minus here 1. 9. What is its answer? 14 into 7, its answer is 98. In this way we have to solve. See here I will take another also. 11 into 12. 11 into, I have to take below number, no? I will take here 11 and I have taken here 9. Here will be minus 1. Here will be plus 1. Minus plus minus only. We have to multiply here. Then see here. 11 minus 1, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. Got it here? This is minus. What is the 10's complement? 9. Here will be minus 1 because we have to minus here. Then here 9. 99. 11 into 9 is equal to 99. In this way you have to solve multiplications by using Nikhilam base method. I have shown you how to do as base 10. Okay, if you take as base 10, how to do, I have explained. If you have any query regarding this, put your query below my video. If you want to help to your friends, you have to share these videos to learn maths. Then we will see in another session with Nikhilam base method only. We are in next session we are taking base as 100. Till then, thank you.